Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video on how to take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel we talk about side hustles, personal finance, ways to make money online, apps that involve money in some form, and investing. And we're going to be talking about investing in this particular video, specifically how to invest on M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a platform that you can use to invest money with. It's mainly known for its autonomous features, which makes it kind of appealing for long-term investors. But with that being the case, a lot of people are actually confused as far as how to do this thing in particular. How do you invest and just buy one stock at a time? See, M1 Finance has features where when you add money, it will actually take the money that you deposited and split it up among your whole investment portfolio. But what if you don't necessarily want that? What if you just want to buy some of one stock or just one stock in general? So you just take a stock in your portfolio and you want to buy more of that. You don't want the money dispersed all throughout your portfolio. That's what we're going to cover in this video. So we're going to hop over to the app so I can show you how to do that. So let's start off by opening the M1 Finance app. Going to enter my PIN number. And now we're going to buy a stock individually in the M1 Finance platform. M1 Finance is known for its ability to be autonomous and split your investments, or split your money up rather, among your investments. But let's say you don't want to do that. Let's say you just want to buy a specific stock or more of a specific stock. That's what we're going to be covering in this video. So even though towards the end of last year, I liquidated all my stocks and sold them all in order to invest back in the Financial Anatomy, one of the best decisions I made. I still do have my portfolio, and I'm going to start setting back reoccurring deposits to go into my account. But that's for another video. My portfolio is still here, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and we're going to buy more of CVA. So once you have your portfolio in front of you, you want to click on it. And then it's going to have an option to manage the slice. Now, before we do this, you do want to see what is the share price at the moment. This is saying the average share price, which is $11.70, but that may not necessarily be the share price it is. So we want to be clear on the price before we actually buy. So the price is currently $13.94. I'm going to click on Manage Slice, and it's giving me the option to view details, to buy or to sell. I'm going to click Buy. And then I'm going to click how much money I want to put into it. Now this doesn't go off a per share basis. It goes off of how much money you want to put into it, because M1 Finance has the ability to buy fractional shares. So I'm just going to go ahead and put $15 into it. That's enough to buy one share. And then from here, I'm going to, just real quickly, it's showing how much of your cash balance will be used. So it's letting you know how much will be left in your account. I'm going to press continue. Then it's going to ask, am I sure? Do I want to confirm this? I'm going to say yes, I want to invest into this utility or the CVA. Click confirm buy. And it's also letting me know that the next trading window is at 8:30 tomorrow. So the buying won't actually happen till tomorrow. I'm just going ahead and putting the order in ahead of time. So click confirm buy. And now your buy order for Covanta Holding Corporation has been submitted. Press done. And now it says that trades are pending. So if I slide up, it says I have an upcoming trade that's going to be executed tomorrow. Click on view details, and it's just letting you know what trades you have in effect. Now, it hasn't gone through yet. It's going to be executed tomorrow. So let's say you had second thoughts for whatever reason. You can go ahead and cancel that trade. See where it says cancel? If I wanted to, I could click cancel and the whole thing will be canceled out. I don't want to do that. But just so you know, you can actually cancel it as long as the trade hasn't been executed yet. If it's been executed, then at that point, you would have to sell the stock if you wanted your money back, which you probably don't want to do because that complicates the situation. Before this video started, you had the question of how exactly do you invest in one individual stock? You should have the answer now and be equipped to do it yourself. If you have any questions or comments about M1 Finance in general, leave them in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as possible. And consider subscribing if you're new, hitting that bell notification, because I'll be dropping more M1 Finance tutorials as the week goes on. If you haven't signed up for M1 Finance and you would like to, you can do so by using the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link and it goes towards supporting the channel, but they usually have a sign-on bonus between $5 and $30, so you can take advantage of that. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.